Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete temporary files from previous Windows installations, also known as the Windows.old folder in Windows 10 and Windows 11. I'll also explain whether it's safe to delete it. Let's get started. What is Windows.old? When you upgrade Windows, your system keeps the old version in a folder called Windows.old. This folder contains your old system files and can take 20 to 40 gigabytes of disk space. Is it safe to delete Windows.old? Yes, it is safe, but only if your Windows is working fine and you don't want to go back to the previous version. Once you delete it, you cannot roll back to your old Windows version. If you're happy with the new version, then delete it to free up space. To delete previous Windows installation, open Settings. Click System. Select Storage. Scroll down and click Cleanup Recommendations. Find and check previous Windows installations. Click Cleanup. Click Continue to confirm. This also deletes the Windows.old folder safely. If you don't see the Previous Windows Installations option, it means your system doesn't have a Windows.old folder or it was already removed automatically. That's it. You've successfully deleted your previous Windows installation and freed up storage. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.